How to change your email address on KuCoin. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your preferred browser and search for KuCoin sign up or search for KuCoin.com. You'll be redirected to its official homepage. Enter your credential to log in into your KuCoin account. To change your email address on your KuCoin, make sure that firstly you are verified in your KuCoin after the submission of your KYC. If you are verified, you'll be able to change the email address on KuCoin without a hassle. Now at the top you will see a profile icon. You need to click on it. From the list of options, you need to navigate and locate to the option of account security. In here, we'll be able to check out all of our personal details and update those personal details or our password, email, phone number, and more. Head to your security settings and there at the bottom you should locate the email option. Just tap on the edit button which would be next to it, after which you'll be able to change your email address on KuCoin. You may also receive a verification email from KuCoin. Once verified, you'll be able to change your email address on KuCoin. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.